Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine, but as your school is closed, your tuition is closed, your all outdoor activities are not allowed. So are you getting bored at home? It's very natural. Even I am getting bored at home, but what to do? In this corona time, we can't go outside now. But don't worry, we can learn something at home only. So let's start English grammar. In English grammar, today we will discuss verb. What is verb? Let's see some sentences first. Leela draws and paints. Rita eats a fruit every day. Here, draws, paints, eats. All these words tell us what Leela and Rita do. Means all these words are doing words or action words. So you can say that words which tell us what a person, a thing or an animal does are called verbs. If I say Rita eats a fruit every day, eats is verb in this sentence. Leela draws and paint. Draws and paint, both the words are verb in this sentence. Now, you should know that the words is, am, are, has and have are also verb. The word is, am, are, although these words means is, am, are, has and have don't show any action, but they simply tell us something about a person, a place, a thing or an animal. So all these words are also verb. Now let's see how they are used in the sentence. You know that am is always used with I. I is the first person singular pronoun. Are is used with you. You is the second person pronoun and second person singular pronoun and plural also. You already know what is pronoun. I have taught you pronoun earlier in my earlier video. Now he, she, it, all these words are third person singular pronoun. So here is used with these pronouns. And are is also used with we, that is for first person plural pronoun, and with they, that is third person plural pronoun. So now clear where is, am, are used. Now has and have. We use has to talk about one person, place, thing or animal. Means singular pronoun or singular nouns. We use have to talk about more than one person, place, thing or animals. Means plural pronoun or plural nouns. Have is also used with I and you, that is singular first person singular pronoun, second person singular pronoun. जैसे I have a pet cat. Here I is first person singular pronoun, so have is used. You have two pencils. Here you is the second person singular pronoun, so have is used. But if I say she has a colorful school bag, so here she is the third person singular pronoun, so has is used. Now we will see have, has and was, were and had. When we talk about an action that is already done or something that happened in the past, we use the verbs was, were and had. Means अगर कोई काम, कोई एक्शन बहुत पहले हो चुका है तो हम उसके लिए उसके साथ was और were का यूज करते हैं. जैसे he was 5 years old in 2015. We were at the museum. So let's see how this is used. Was is used with singular nouns or pronoun. जैसे मैंने बोला he was 5 years old. So he is the singular third person singular pronoun, so was is used. And were is used with plural pronoun. Means was is used with I, were is used with you. Both the pronouns are singular pronoun. he, she, it, all these third person singular pronouns. So here was is used, and we is first person plural pronoun, they is third person plural pronoun. So here we will use were. जैसे we were at the museum, we is first person plural pronoun, so here were is used. Now clear? अगर कोई डाउट हो तो you can write in comment box. So stay at home, stay safe, stay home, stay safe and be careful. Thank you. Bye bye.